Cancer Council New South Wales is a charity organisation which is 96% funded by the community. We look at research, prevention, support services and advocacy.
Cancer Council have been involved with Macquarie in the PACE program for over 10 years.
We have students currently from health, marketing, science and sociology.
Luke and Mark were two great students. They worked on a project effectively on database to help us actually understand our donors better.
The work that the teams have done on the database has really streamlined our abilities to actually collect data, ensure that data has integrity, then analyse that data and to create reports. It really has made a huge difference.
The benefits of this PACE unit for me as a student is having to apply all that knowledge and information that I've learned throughout this degree in a real life situation.
Cancer Council provided us with immense support throughout the project.
The benefits are untold in terms of having Macquarie PACE students come into Cancer Council to work with us to have a real life experience and at the same time learn more about the needs of people with cancer. It's just a credit to Macquarie University.
Lachlan and Clare were another two great students. We had a project in our tobacco unit which is effectively about tobacco retailing. Both those students were fantastic in regards to researching, detailing and coming up with a really clear strategic intent about how we should continue the fight against tobacco in the community.
The PACE students were looking at tobacco retailers who have stopped selling cigarettes.
And so Clare and Lachlan helped us by interviewing those retailers to try and get a sense of why they stopped selling tobacco in the first place. Clare and Lachlan came to us from two different faculties. We had each coordinator check in at a couple of points throughout the project just to make sure that we were getting what we needed and also that the students were getting what they needed.
This PACE unit has been extremely beneficial to me. I've been able to develop a number of skills to help me for future employment.
James is another great student. He actually worked in one of our regional offices and he worked in regards to an event which was called Run for Cure. James looked at different media forms such as the written media, the digital media, the social media, so that we got the biggest impact we possibly could. The event was a great success.
James and I are here today as part of the Run to Cure for Neuroblastoma Australia. James looked after an editorial calendar, looked after content, and he really worked with the Neuroblastoma Australia volunteers to assist them to promote the event on social media and to work it as well in with the traditional media and the public relations for this event.
I was able to gain insights into how to segment targets, how to create shared value between businesses, and also just collaborating with other partners. We were able to raise over $200,000, which is great because it's going to go all towards helping children with cancer.
I highly recommend that other organisations host PACE students. They're a wonderful, valuable resource and they bring amazing fresh ideas.
It really is a relationship. It's not just the PACE students coming in, it's the relationship of us working together on a program that makes the difference.
I'm a great advocate for PACE students. It's a program that I would recommend and I'm amazed it's out there, so thanks Macquarie Uni.
What I enjoyed the most was their enthusiasm that they brought to the project. You can't buy that.